Alright, Dustin, what are you showing me, bro? This is really very good, man. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be...
It's not good. It's dumb. What does it smell like in here?
Wieners?
It smells pretty good, but I'm not risking it.
Oh, man, what a waste. What are you gonna do with it? What a waste. Oh! Do you feel bad?
I do.
And I know how much you like sausages, too, so it must have been really heartbreaking for you to just throw that away. Normally, you try to shove as many as you can in your mouth. We got Christmas decorations up already. We have candy canes hanging from the top, and then we have this nice little Christmas tree. I like a tree, it's a car thing. You got this little truck, you got this Ford logo, a motorcycle, some more cars. Oh my god, I just stepped on a freaking blade. Oh, look at this. Oh, first time I've ever gotten a blade stuck in me. Today might be a chill vlog, guys. I have to be up front majority of the time here because we're short-handed, so I'm not really sure what to do. I gotta, be a secretary or something, I just gotta sit here and like look pretty. Gotta ship this thing out to the winner. I don't know why I keep doing those transitions. It wasn't even that good. Guys, look, we got our first gift under the tree. We got a new Vossen forged wheel. These are always really special to get because, they're forged. I don't know what wheel this is. It says on the side, but I don't want to read it. I want to be surprised along with the rest of you guys.
What's in the box?
Alright guys, I cut through all the plastic, so let's see what this wheel is. Oh, nice. Oh. This is one of the new wheels from Vossen that came out this year in SEMA. So this is Vossen's Evo 3 wheel in the satin black finish, as you guys can see. Man, I've been seeing some really cool wheels in satin black recently. It's starting to make me like that color a lot more. And you know what it is? I think it's this part here. I think this curve with satin black, you see like how that shines right here, but then it's like matte right here. I think that makes satin black look really cool because of that. You get the hint of a lighter finish here, and then of course it's still dark, so it looks really menacing. Let me push down this plastic so then you guys can see the wheel undisrupted. It's a nice design. It's a 5-spoke, very open, so it looks very lightweight, very sporty, but it's still very clean and simple. And just so you guys know, the way the spoke is cut, like how it's this really smooth, kind of soft cut. From what I understand, it takes a very specific machine to be able to do cuts like that. It's like what they call a 5-axis machine. There aren't many wheel companies that have it because it's really expensive, and Vossen, among maybe a handful of others, have this machine. So to be able to see this is really cool. You don't see it too often. Vossen is doing like that undercut styling where they cut out a lot of the center material of the wheel to save some weight. So if I get closer, you guys can see there's actually like a huge open area down here, and that saves a lot of weight just because that's not necessarily needed material. So then being able to remove that does help with the design, and of course helps with the lightweightness of the wheel, but still keeps the strength and integrity of it. Alright, hey, well that's a pretty cool wheel, but what car is going on? Well, let's look at the back. So you guys know that Vossen forged wheels, they always do the engravings in the back with the specs, and part of that, they include what car is made for. So let's see. Engineered for 2018 McLaren 720S. That's right, guys. We are putting it on our shop McLaren, our orange one. I'm excited to see what this looks like. The spoke design is going to look so cool. Colors gonna match perfectly, so I'll show you that once we actually put it on. This wheel is massive. Look, I can put my whole arm. This is so big. Oh, this thing is massive. 4-play, 4P F5. Satin black finish on the face, gloss black on the outer barrel. The hardware is actually functional because this centerpiece is one piece and this outer barrel is actually the entire barrel, so it must be bolting the centerpiece to the outer barrel. So that's cool. So this is a 2-piece wheel, which makes sense. I mean, look at the concavity of this thing. You guys see? Look at this. Oh my god, it's like a skate ramp. I don't know what that was. If you didn't see my Vegas/SEMA vlog, first off, I'm very disappointed in you. Second off, you should go watch that now. Actually, don't watch that now. We gotta finish this vlog first, then watch it. 3, this center cap is freaking cool. Let me show you. A lot of truck wheels have this overly sized center cap, right? And I think that's really cool, especially for being a truck wheel. But I like how they designed this. It almost looks like a center lock design with these teeth here, which is kind of cool, like a Porsche center lock. I mean, you guys get that, right? It's like a bank vault. It's like, it goes click, 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 click. I feel like that's what I'm seeing. I don't know. I can't get over the concavity of this. Like, I want to see this on a truck. Imagine this wheel on a Cybertruck. Ooh.
Nice.
I like the design language because like this whole part here, the hardware with like the web design here is kind of busy, it's kind of detailed, but then matched with the 5-spoke in the middle just really complements it because it's simple. You don't really pay too much attention to the spokes because it's just very simple. But the outer edges here are just really detail oriented, so it's a nice blend between clean, simple with a little bit busy, detail oriented, technical look. I guess you want to call it. I don't know, but it's nice. It's a nice balance. All right, so we're back on the Supra right now. We're getting ready to lay the hood. Look at how much material we need to just lay the hood. So this is 5 feet by 95 inches long. All this material just for the hood, and we need to because you guys can see the hood is also the fender, so it's just massive, guys. It's massive. So once we lay this down, it's really gonna start to come together. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
Ragnarok or Endgame?
Oh, Endgame for sure.
I knew.
Come on, man. Dude. Anything.
But
Endgame for sure.
Infinity War or Ragnarok?
Infinity War.
Yeah. Endgame or Infinity War?
Endgame. Endgame, man.
You think it's better, huh?
I cried, bro. Tears. Bro.
I cry at movies.
I didn't cry during Titanic.
Wait, you said you cried at Titanic?
Nobody cried at Titanic.
Oh,
Come on.
I didn't cry at
We all
Titanic.
cried Titanic. Rose!
I was laughing.
You're one of those people who laugh in horror movies.
Hop up on there, bro.
He should have tried. He's like, okay, it ain't gonna work. I gotta go.
So that old woman, she's just a liar, right? Because she lied about the diamond and threw it right back into the sea.
Oh, that makes you wonder. Did he really float there like that, or did she just shove him in?
That's what I'm saying, bro. She's just a liar.
Film is going on.
You start tacking first where you think you want it.
Quick look at the two Vossen wheels on the McLaren, so just gonna give you an idea. They look very similar, right? You would think they're very similar, and they kind of do look similar, but they're not similar. Let me explain. So we have on the left the new wheels, the Evo 3, and these are S1701. Very S2101. Very similar, but very different in the sense that these are both 5 spokes, and they're very open looking. But if you look at how these spokes are, they're kind of V out and they just go straight out, whereas this, they V out and they kind of come back in a little bit. They kind of angle back in, so it's a little rounder, I would say. Finishes are different too. This is a matte gunmetal and this is a satin black. Both are very clean though, very sporty. The center caps are the same, except this is the red V that I told you guys about. That is standard. Normally it comes red, but we got them changed to gloss black just to kind of keep it the whole blackout theme. And it makes the white V pop a lot more too, whereas this one it kind of focuses more on the red. So I like this. It's clean. You have a lot of cutouts here for lightweight savings, I guess you can say. Whereas this one has more of the cutouts in the middle here with the undercut. This doesn't have the undercut in the center, but they have cutouts around the edges. If you do like the cutouts on this, but you like this design, they do have an R series which looks like this right here with the cutouts, so you get the best of both worlds, guys. You still get the smooth smoke designs and you still get the cutouts like you do with the S2101. It's gonna make the calipers pop a lot more.
Yeah, I did originally want satin black. Oh yeah, it looks so much better.
Will! I thought you were gonna be here today. You still came.
Dad told me to come a day early.
Boing.
Right, Will? What kind of Will do we? Alibaba? Oh.
What do you think?
I like them.
You have something in your mouth, by the way.
Oh, I just had fried chicken.
So we're squeegeeing the hood down, as you guys can see. It's coming along. The satin is appearing. The water is disappearing. Yeah, the black looks way better. It matches with the black vinyl that we put on there. It looks like the black vinyl just kind of goes into the wheel. That looks really good. It works well with the vinyl. Yeah, the gunmetal was cool, but like there's no gunmetal in the car.
The finish or everything?
I think it's a better wheel, like everything.
Yeah, I think the McLaren needs a cleaner looking wheel because of the organic looking design.
Yeah, it's kind of.
When you start putting holes in thing, you're trying too much. They could have put a hole here for the vent, but then say, hey, let's make it look clean and hide it. But the hole's still there, right? It's on the inside right here.
Oh, true, true.
The hole is here, but they put it in between the door, which is a really nice detail.
That's really cool.
Because on a Lamborghini, they would just have the opening right there.
What I like about this is, like, for example, the gloss black vinyl is kind of these smooth, curvy lines. I feel like that kind of complements, again, the smooth curve of the spoke designs, you know? Is that a bit of a stretch? Maybe, but it just aesthetically, visually, it works. Black bottom strip here kind of goes into the wheel perfectly too. And here's a side profile of the rear tires so you guys see flush fitment, and you guys can check out the concavity. So it's nice and deep, looks good. What do you guys think? Do you like this setup or do you like the old setup more? Let me know, comment down below. I like this setup way more. Alright guys, we're ending the vlog here. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. We want to work on your car. Hit us up, our contact info in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you. I will see you guys next time. Peace!